Welcome back to Silver and Gold, where we break down the precious metals market so you can invest wisely and confidently. Today, we're tackling a big question. When should you sell your gold or silver? Whether you're holding for profit, security, or long-term planning, let's talk about how to time the market without relying on guesswork. First, it's important to understand, timing the market perfectly is nearly impossible. Even seasoned investors get it wrong. That said, there are smart strategies for knowing when it's a good time to sell. Strategy number 1. Watch spot prices and trends. When the spot price of gold or silver climbs significantly above your buy-in price, that's a signal to evaluate your goals. But don't sell just because prices are up. Make sure it aligns with your overall plan. Strategy number 2. Set a target price. Before you ever buy, decide what would make selling worthwhile. Whether it's a 20% return or hitting a specific dollar amount, setting a goal helps remove emotion from the decision. Strategy number 3. Pay attention to economic indicators. Gold and silver often rise during times of inflation, currency devaluation, or geopolitical tension. If you see metals peaking while the dollar weakens or interest rates change, it might be a good time to act. Strategy number 4. Consider your personal financial needs. Sometimes the right time to sell has nothing to do with the market. If you need to pay off debt, make a major purchase, or rebalance your portfolio, that can be reason enough, especially if you're selling at a gain. Strategy number 5. Don't panic sell. Precious metals are long-term assets. Sudden dips happen, but if you sell out of fear, you could miss the recovery. Stick to your plan and stay informed. There's no crystal ball when it comes to precious metals, but by setting clear goals, watching the market, and keeping your financial needs in mind, you can sell with confidence instead of regret. Thanks for watching Silver and Gold. Subscribe for more guides and insights into stacking, investing, and making smart choices with your precious metals. We'll see you next time.